Let's play with the colors. Connect objects of the same color. Blue. Black. Gray. Great. Brown. Violet. White. Great. Yellow. Red. Pink. How clever. Or guess which rocket each of these belongs to. Kuat tegar dan berdiri sampai akhir nanti. Jangan kau menangis, aku masih ada di sini. Yellow. Ku akan buat dirimu bahagia kembali. Cukup kau bersedih, masih ada aku yang menanti. Dari tanganku dan bahagia. Let's learn the colors. Touch the picture and learn its name. Red, strawberry, heart, tomato. Red, strawberry, heart, tomato. Yellow, lemon, sun, chicken. Yellow, lemon, sun, chicken. Yellow. Blue, blueberry, whale, parrot, parrot, whale. Blueberry, blue. Green, cucumber, frog, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Green, frog, cucumber, green. Orange, carrot, giraffe, orange. Carrot, giraffe, orange, orange. Violet, grapes, octopus, eggplant, eggplant. Violet, octopus, grapes. Masih ada di sini.